This is Brianna Hansen. It's my RazorPagesMovie file application. So you can see we've got the name up here in the tab. We're on the home page. If we go to index, it changes to index. If we go to privacy, it changes to privacy. If we go back to the index, we've got our seeded data that shows up here. And then we get the edit/8, so it shows our number that goes for this particular row. If we want to create a new one, if we don't have enough in there, enough letters, then we get our validation. And this one, if we don't have the release date correctly, this one always changes on me. Okay, we're coming back to that one. Genre, we didn't put in the right expression. There's not a capital. And we put in something besides a price and the price field. Rating, again, we have to have a capital. And then this one, there we go. I always get it when I go back to it. 01/21/1986. There we go. And then we can create our movie. So we can go edit this. We can change it to PG-13. Make it $2.99. Or we can go look at the details for any of them, and they have title, release date, genre, price, and rating. We can go back to our list and see that the others also have rating as well. So we've got rating that shows up everywhere. We can go delete it. Let's go ahead and delete the one we made. And then we can search. And we can search by genre. And it pulls up. Or we can go search by name. And that also pulls up. So that's my app. Oh, and then I've got all the fields are not null like they're supposed to be at the end of the program.